Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the challenger token to become money. To become this FIFA coins. So what you need to do is go to the store, tap the store. As you can see, there are four options here. Tap the event shop and tap to the resources. And as you can see, I'm sorry, tap the division rifles, not the resources. Division rifles. So you can trade your challenger token to become this one. A challenger rank up pack 2. You can get a 1 million coins that you can use for training, buying player, and many more. Just tap this one. You need 100 challenger point to get 1 million coins. Please free to try. If you run out or if you insufficient in money or coins, you can exchange your challenger, this one challenger token, in the store for a money, for a coins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.